Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of pest control with what many are calling the best Zevo Bug Control solution on the market. Introducing the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. This innovative device is designed to tackle those pesky flying insects that invade our homes, from flies to gnats to fruit flies. What sets the Zevo Flying Insect Trap apart? Let's break it down. First off, it utilizes specially designed blue and UV light to attract flying insects. Once they're drawn in, they're trapped on a disposable adhesive backing, so you never have to touch them. But the benefits don't stop there. With effortless 24/7 continuous attraction, this trap works day and night to protect your family from flying pests. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, garage, or living spaces, the Zevo Flying Insect Trap is designed for any room where flying insects gather. So, if you're tired of swatting away flies and dealing with pesky fruit flies, it's time to upgrade to the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. Say goodbye to flying insects and hello to peace of mind. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest reviews. Until next time, happy trapping!